Hey guys, welcome back to Yoga with Ashton. This 15-minute flow is a beginner-friendly Hatha style flow focusing on some basic yoga postures. Start on your mat in a comfortable seat. Close the eyes, sit up tall, and take a few deep breaths. Inhale the left arm up and exhale, bend over to the right for a side stretch. Inhale back up and exhale, bend over to the left. Inhale and come back up. Move into cow face pose by crossing the right leg over the left and the right arm over the left, giving yourself a hug. If this is uncomfortable, you can just do the arms. Exhale and release. Shake the arms out and move into the other side. Left leg on top of right and left arm over right. Release and move into child's pose. Come onto all fours, move your knees as wide as the mat and lower yourself down. Hands out in front of you and forehead on the mat. Come on up and push back into downward facing dog. You can pedal out the feet or find stillness in the pose. Raise the right leg up and bring the foot between your hands. Lower the left knee. Place your hands on your hips and pulse in and out of the stretch. Extend your arms out into a T and twist to the right. Bring the arms up by your ears, tuck the back toes, and push up into Warrior One. Lower the hands down to the front of the mat and push back into a down dog. Raise the left leg up high and bring it to the front of the mat. Lower the right knee down and place your hands on your hips, pulsing in and out of the lunge. Extend the arms out into a T and twist to the left. Bring the arms back up, tuck the back toes, and push up into Warrior One. Lower the hands back down to the mat and step back into a downward facing dog. Step the right foot forward and pivot to the left side of the mat for Goddess Pose. Both feet facing out, hands at your heart. Straighten the legs and fold forward, hands in line with your feet, bending at the elbows. Halfway lift and rotate the feet out again, coming back up into Goddess. Place your hands on your knees and lean into the left shoulder. And now the right. Come back up and pivot towards the front of the mat into a lunge and then back into down dog. Walk your hands back, clasp opposite elbows, and come into a ragdoll. And then lower down into a yogi squat, hands at the heart. You can sway from side to side or find stillness. Stand up straight and then fold forward. Stand up and sit down on the long edge of the mat and bring the soles of the feet to touch for butterfly pose, folding forward over the feet. Come back up and extend the legs out for a wide-legged forward fold. Walk yourself back up and lay down on your back. Scoot your hips over to the right a bit and stack your legs, hinging at the knee and lowering down to the left for a spinal twist. Back to center and lower them over to the right. Bring the legs back up and move into happy baby. Hands on the outside edges of the feet, pulling your thighs into your chest. Release the feet and curl into a ball, bringing your forehead to your knees. Release the legs and come into Shavasana. Hands and feet at the edge of your mat, palms up, eyes closed. Noticing your breath as it comes in and out of the body. With this moment of silence and stillness, allow the body to absorb the effects of your practice. Start to bring some small movements into your fingers and toes. Raise your arms above your head and take a big stretch before rolling yourself up and finding a comfortable seat. Thanks so much for joining me on the mat today. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for new videos each week. Thanks for your support, and namaste.